Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking all about what tools I use for live streaming. I'm going to take you behind the scenes a little bit and kind of show you my whole setup in this video. Now, if you're curious about live streaming in general, definitely check out my live stream guide. OnlineDrea.com/livestream walks you through how I script, prepare to promote, and even what I do after my live stream. So it's a really good guide for you, OnlineDrea.com/livestream. Now, for those of you who are new to this channel, hello, my name's Andrea Jones. I'm a social media strategist, and I'm obsessed with making social media simple and easy and fun and helping business owners like you really learn how to use social media as a tool to grow your business. All right, without further ado, let's dive in to my top tools for live streaming. Let's talk about webcams first, and it's a question that I get a lot, which is what webcam that I use, and I actually use the built-in webcam that just comes with my computer. I use a desktop Mac computer, and that built-in webcam is actually really great, and I find that lighting is more important than the camera in this instance, which I'll get to in a minute, but the built-in webcam has been just fine for me, and actually my computer is a little bit old now. I'm actually looking at upgrading it here very soon, but it's a 2011 Mac desktop computer. Now let's talk about lighting, because I think lighting is so important, and you don't need to have fancy lights. The best thing, honestly, is find an open window, stand in front of it. That can be a really great way to shine some light on your face. But you can also purchase lights as well. I have a ring light, which I quickly found doesn't work for me in my glasses. As you can see in this video, the ring light is above me, and the light just kind of bounces off my glasses if I tilt my head up too far. Also, I have blue blocking glasses because I'm staring at computers all day, and so there's like a purplish tinge to my glasses sometimes, but I just roll with it. I just position my ring light a little bit higher and point it downwards so that the ring isn't bouncing off my glasses so much, and then I fill in the gaps with these two kind of like panel lights that are around my space, and they just kind of add some extra brightness, and I have these all attached to the same switch so I can switch them on and off as needed, because y'all, these lights are super bright and they give me a headache if they're on too long, so I keep them off as much as possible. You'll also notice in my office that I have panels on the wall. These are sound dampening panels, and the reason that I use these is that this space is a little bit echoey. So the panels help dampen that echoey sound a little bit. I also have a rug on the floor to help with that as well. Fill your room with books or with anything that you can. I'm looking at even more ways to do this with my space as well. And then I also use a really nice microphone. So I will put a full tutorial of this microphone, but it is the Electro Voice RE20 microphone, and it's what radio broadcasters use. And so that's where you get that really nice sound. It's all in the microphone, and it actually takes a lot of that echoey noise out as well, and it reduces a lot of the background noise as well. But you'll notice that I do have to have it fairly close to my mouth in order for it to pick up. You'll notice that, you know, when radio DJs and things like that are talking, are they still called DJs? Disc jockeys? I don't know. When they're talking, you'll notice that the mic is close to their mouth as well. And this style of mic, I find it does need to be fairly close to your mouth in order for the sound to travel as it should. Lastly, I want to talk about the tool that I use for actually live streaming. So I don't live stream straight through like Facebook or YouTube, like using their interface. I actually use a tool called Restream, which is a really great way to stream in multiple locations. And so with Restream, I can cross-stream to Facebook and to YouTube and to LinkedIn as well. And I've actually been getting a lot of great engagement on my LinkedIn lives lately. By using Restream, I'm able to cross-stream live to those various places, but also their interface, like the dashboard, is super cool. So you can add different graphics up on the screen. I like to add, different talking points, showcase links to things that I'm talking about. I also like to pull audience comments up on the screen, and it's all branded, which makes it look super professional. And you can also invite guests to be in your live stream as well. So here's an example of what that looks like and how the interface is working with a guest as well, which it just looks really sharp sharp and it looks really like cool and professional and branded, and I really like it. So there you have it. Those are my tools for live streaming. Again, if you want to learn more about how I live stream, check out my live stream guide, OnlineDrea.com/livestream. Get all of the tools and tech and processes you need to make an incredible streaming experience for you and for your audience. I'll see you back here very soon for another video soon. Bye for now.